Installation of VIDI Positioner. In the box you will find the Positioner, a magnet ring to be fixed onto the AVK extension spindle, a locking ring, and an installation tube to press down the locking ring. Before installing VIDI Positioner, make sure the valve is fully open or fully closed. Place the magnet ring with the 2 feet pointing downwards onto the AVK extension spindle so it cannot rotate. Place VIDI Positioner on top of the magnet ring. Apply the locking ring onto the extension spindle by using a T-key or the provided installation tube. Open the AVK Assist app on your smartphone. Go to AVK Insight and press the green button called New Asset Record. Select VIDI Asset. Identify the NFC chip on your phone and place the backside of the phone on the side of the Positioner, where the product label is. Hold the phone next to the NFC location until the phone vibrates or makes a sound. Choose Network Operator Code from the drop-down menu. Place the phone on the device for calibration. Enter a device name. Choose Standard Calibration Type. Specify if the valve is completely open or completely closed. Choose Closing Direction and enter the number of turns required to open or close the valve. Place the phone on the device to activate the Positioner. Keep the phone in place until it vibrates or makes a sound. Now add a GPS location for the installation. You can press Get Current Location or manually move around the position on the map. You can also manually enter the installation address. Press Continue and take a photo of the installation site or setup. Press OK and Continue. Choose your segment. And if wanted, add a personal note about the installation. Next, you will see a summary of the installation. Check that input is correct and save and upload. You have now set up VIDI Positioner and it is already sending signals.